To fix this error, the first step is to make a right click in the start menu, go to Task Manager, and then if you find Discord over here, you can make a right click on Discord and then click on End Task. Once this is done, relaunch Discord and then check. Still not working. The next step is to delete temporary files and folder. Now for this, you can type in run in Windows search box and then click on run system, and then over here type in temp%, and then click on OK and delete the content of this folder. Select everything, delete it, shift delete. So once you shift delete, now again open the run box, and this time you can type in temp and then select everything, delete everything over here, and you have to shift delete. Once deleted, now you can relaunch Discord and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to end Discord from Task Manager. Again, make a right click in the start menu, go to Task Manager. If Discord is running, you can make a right click on Discord and then click on End Task. In my case, I don't have it running, so end the Discord from here and then you can go to this location. You have to uninstall Discord. So type in run in Windows search box, open run, and then paste the path over here. The path is provided in the video description. Click on OK. Select everything, Control A, shift delete. Once deleted, close this, go to the second path. Again, open run box, paste the path over here, click on OK, and then select everything, shift delete. Once this is done, you can go to Discord website, go to the official website, and then you can download for Windows. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and install Discord once again. And that should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.